Hi there. Welcome to George K's ETV.
Hello everyone. Hello there. Good morning. This is Judge. Welcome to Judge TV. And today I'm going to talk about one of the most training topics right now for CBSE 10th class. And let's talk about that. Just you can see, have a look. It's nothing but IA 2025 and 26. That means internal assessment 2025 and 26. And let's understand about the English language and literature for class 10 CBSE. Fine. And we'll understand one by one. We will today completely will smash about all this information. So are you excited to know that? And many of you will be having doubts. Let me clarify everything for all of you. Okay. And I'm very happy to present you today about the internal assessment 2025 and 26 by CBSE and how we are going to do that. And the students for class 10 English language and literature subject code 184, please pay attention and write your record works as per the guidelines that now I'm going to show everyone one by one. And let's begin. Start. So first write the opening page like IA 2025-26, or you can write a record book for internal assessments 2025 and 26. And later we can continue write the subject English language and literature subject code 184. Afterwards, what is our next topic? Then onwards we continue records first page. Okay, what is the first page? English language and literature code 184. Assessment period is during the Dasara holidays. You have to complete these works, and now it is the time going on. So this is the first page. In this page, you have to write student details, name of the student, followed by roll number, section. Then make this mark sheet completely. This is very, very important for all of you. This is the mark sheet. There are 4 areas to give you 20 marks. Number 1 component is periodic test. Periodic test 1, 2, 3 of 5 marks, and your obtained marks teacher will write here. Project works. This is the component number 2. Second area for 5 marks. Here project 1, project 2, and project 3. 5 marks. Teacher will give your obtained marks. Next is CW notes, the rational document, the document of your classwork. It's another important book. So you have to write complete all pending works of class 10, and this area is 5 marks of 47 lessons, chapters, stories, poems, prose, whatever is there. And last component, that is all about subject enrichment activity. In subject enrichment activity, you have to completely write 3 seminars, and you have to present as assessment of speaking and listening ASL plus DMV. That's nothing but disciplinary moral values or discipline and moral values that you have to practice, that you have to present from the learnings that you made from different lessons throughout your textbook. So let's dive into the next page. Okay, so this part you have to complete. Here this teacher will sign. Finally, as it is this format you have to make. Now come to the second page. What is the second page? Second page is nothing but it is the content page. What is content? List of the activities that you are going to write in the record book. First one is periodic assessment for 5 marks. Write periodic 3 assessments, so PA or PT 1, 2, 3. Periodic test 1 or periodic assessment 1. Periodic test 2 or periodic assessment 2. Periodic test 3 or periodic assessment 3. This is first 5 marks. Second content, project works. Assessment of 5 marks. Number 1, 2, 3. 3 projects. Project 1, 2, 3. One assignment for project 1 is that is about chains of choice and wings of will. Next one is the mirror of morality. The third project is kindness is a kingdom without a crown. Okay, fine. Next part, what you have to do is, it's a third 5 marks. You have to complete another content for the CW pending work assignments or assessment. Right, all complete entire syllabus that is given by the Central Board of Secondary Education. Okay, prose 11 lessons, poetry 10 poems, and supplementary 9 stories. Come to grammar 7. And all these complete this page you have to maintain. Total 47. Fine. After this, subject enrichment and discipline practice assessment. How subject enrichment activity plus discipline values will be evaluated based on prepare assessment of speaking and listening 3 seminars plus practice the moral values from the seminars that you are presenting from the lessons. That okay. Prepare any 3 summaries of NCERT English syllabus and present. This is content completed. Now we are moving to the next part. Next is page 3. You have to make this poster. This poster is about periodic assessments of 5 marks. This poster as it is you can make periodic test 1, assessment 1, periodic test 2 or assessment 2, periodic test 3 or assessment 3 of 10 marks questions I have given, and you can find. First you make this poster. How to make this one? Follow this. Complete this picture. Date. Give the blank. Periodic assessment of 10 marks out of 5. How much you got? And teacher will sign. Teacher will give the marks. This poster you have to make. Next part. Where do you get the periodic assessment questions? Periodic assessment questions are in these links in my channel. Okay, internal assessment channel or English language internal assessment channel. You can find all this. periodic test 1. If you click this link, completely question will open and answer also will come. Similarly, test 2 and test 3, that links you have to click and get the question paper of PT 1, 2, 3 and solutions, and you have to complete that in record book. After completing this, you are completing now almost 10 marks you have completed. Sorry, 5 marks completed, periodic test part completed. Second component, that is project works assessment. Project works assessment of 5 marks. And what you have to do here, there are 3 assignments. Number 1, project work assignment 1 is chains of choice, wings of will. Number 2 is mirror of morality. Number 3 is project works assignment, that is kindness is kingdom without a crown. Project work assessment marks obtained. Here blank you have to keep and full mark you have to write. Date, give teacher sign. Then this poster completed. Now you have to come to write what are the posters. To make these 3 projects, I have prepared some 3 to 4 posters. For project 1, you can use this poster. Okay, you can see Mahatma Gandhi, Helen Keller, Malala Yousafzai. Okay, then mirror of morality, you can draw this picture or you can print it and paste in your record book. Next, second poster, second project. The poster below, the link is there for the second project. Similarly, for the poster 1, we can find this is the link for the project 1 for the poster. Complete what the project, complete project presentation is there. Just you copy that and practice, or you can write related that. Third project. Okay, so this poster you can print or paste, or you can draw if you can, or else this one. These 2 I have given. Any one of these 2 you can select and you can make it. Fine. So to write kindness is the kingdom without a crown, this project, you have to click here project 3 link and you will get complete details of the project. And 3 projects now you have completed. That means second 5 marks have been finished. You have to worry for next 5 marks. So now so far you have completed now up to here 10 marks. Remaining 10 marks what to do? Let us discuss. 5 marks. Completion of pending classwork assessment. In this assessment, your CW notes will be checked whether you have completed 11 lessons, 10 points, 9 stories, and 7 chapters of grammar parts, along with writing, reading chapters, reading skills, letter to editor, analytical paragraph. Okay, all that will be including all together will be 47. So all this poster you have to make for that next 5 mark. And after seeing that area of this CW completion, teacher will give your marks here. You have to give the date. Okay, teacher will give you mark out of how much you will give it for this assessment. Then teacher will sign here. Right, and to complete the CW notes. CW notes is a rational document. The document you have to attach with your record. So in the record book, you have to make one clearance certificate. The CW completion clearance certificate on the record book. So if you click this link, you can find a certificate of completing following lessons. List of the lessons will come. That list of the lessons you have to write, the stories you have to write, list of the poems you have to write, grammar topics you have to write. If you click the link in the channel, you will definitely get that one and you have to complete that. And that made your 5 marks. Up to here, third 5 marks, third component 5 marks completed. That means you made 15 marks. The last poster. Okay, subject enrichment activity with discipline practice assessment. So here, not only your speaking learning skills are observed, here also your behavior skills will be checked. So therefore, you have to go with presentation of assessment of speaking and listening. ASA. So you have to speak. We will take some seminars here, like seminars I have taken here. Along with that, practicing what? Discipline and moral values. So altogether it makes 5 marks. These 3 seminars, 3 marks. This moral value, discipline will be of 2 marks. Altogether 5 marks. So tasks for your assessment of speaking and listening. Number 1, seminar number 1, the seminar Banaras. Write the seminar in summary form. For seminar 1, 2, 3, like second seminar is the necklace with what? DMV means discipline, moral values. Discipline with moral values. What is the moral value and discipline you learn from seminar Banaras and you practice in your regular life? Similarly, here the necklace. What is the moral values and the disciplinary values that we can practice in our life, that you have practiced, then you have utilized that you have to say when you are presenting a seminar. Fire and ice with disciplinary moral values. That poem also you have to prepare. So here I have taken 3 seminars. Seminar 1 is from prose part. Seminar 2 is from the story from supplementary. Seminar 3, this task comes from the poem, The Fire and Ice of Robert Frost. So altogether it is made of 5 marks. How much you will get based on your disciplinary values? 2 marks will be awarded by the teacher. Then there you have to write here, teacher will sign. So now you have to make this poster. Then you have to get all the links of seminars 1, 2, 3 with the moral values and discipline. You have to click this seat. If you click here this link, it will be open and you can write that and practice, or else by yourself you can make what the values you practiced and all everything will be there. Seminar 1, 2, 3 all complete is there along with the disciplinary moral values. So internal assessment completion certificate is there. This is the last one. After completing here now, up to here you completed 20 months. Therefore now you make one certificate clearly that I have completed the internal assessment record writing, all the 4 areas, and take the sign by the teacher. This certificate you have to make in your record book last, then take signature. Okay. So up to here, the last 5 all together 20 marks completed. So record writing part now completed 20 marks. So based on your writing abilities and seminars presentation, finally teacher will decide your 20 marks, how much you will get, and he will give in the first page that you have mentioned. Fine. So that's all from the internal assessment 2025 and 26. This is your Kiran sir. May God bless everyone, and hope we will meet on 4th October with the record books and seminars. Take care. Bye bye. God bless you.
Thank you so much for watching.